Children, today I will explain you what is joint and what are different type of joints in our body through this an activity. See, joint, two bones are joined together. Two bones are joined together by the joint. It means joint is a point. These are various points at which two or more bones meet. Right? Joint allow us to move. It allow us to move our body parts. We have joints in different parts of our body. In elbow, knee, neck, hips. Okay? They are various type of joints. Some joints are movable and joint in our skull. They are made up of immovable bony plates. We have mainly four type of joints in our body. On the basis of range of their movement, means to what extent they can move, joints have been categorized. First, we learn about ball and socket joint. Observe the movement of your shoulder. How can you move your shoulder? You can move your shoulder in all direction, up, down, sideways movement, right? Do you know which joint we have in our shoulder? We have ball and socket joint here. Where do we have it? See, the end of arm bone here, end of arm bone has a ball, rounded shape here. Okay? And the part where it joins, that is the shoulder blade, has the socket. So here we have shoulder joint. Which joint we have here? Ball and socket joint. It allows movement in all directions. And beside this, we have ball and socket joint here also in our hips. Okay. So ball and socket joint allows movement in all directions like up and down, circular motion, and we have ball and socket joint in our shoulder and in our hip. Second type of joint we are going to see is the hinged joint. Hinged joints we have here in our elbow. Observe the movement of your elbow. How can you move your elbow? You can move your elbow up and down. Right? This hinged joints, it allow only one type of movement. We have hinged joints in our knees also. Observe the movement of knee. See, you can bring it forward, you can take it back, you can bring it forward, can take it back. So your knee can also move in one direction only. So here also we have hinged joints. And we have hinged joints in our fingers. In our fingers and in our toes also we have hinged joints. Right? So we have hinged joints at four places. In our knees, here in our knees, in our elbow, in our finger, in our toes. Right? Now, next type of joint which we are going to learn is gliding joints. Where do we have gliding joints? Here, in our wrist, in our ankle. They are composed of several interconnected bones. Right? With many joint surfaces, these joints occur between the surfaces of two flat bones. Here we have in our wrist and in our ankle we have gliding joint. Now next type of joint which we are going to learn is pivot joint. Yes, now move your neck. How can you move your neck? You can move your neck up and down, sideways, in circular motion. It means you can move your neck in all directions. You have here pivot joint. We have 7 cervical bones in our neck. First two, C1 and C2 bones, they form the pivot joint and they allows movement in all directions. Right?